go for the summer. When I'm light, boy, got your body on my mind. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to teach you on how you will be able to edit your YouTube thumbnails using Canva on your mobile phone. So let's start. So first of all guys, you need to have the Canva app, Canva. So this is how it looks like. So what I'm going to teach you today is how you'll be able to edit a thumbnail using a Canvas template. So first you will just have to type in thumbnail there on top. Just click on that. Then you will see the templates. Some are free, but some have charges. But of course, we'll choose a free one. So there are so many options, guys. So it's really up to you. See? Daghan kaayo, and they're all pretty. But we'll have to choose maybe this one. So once you've chosen a template, you will just have to click on edit and you will see the editing options on top. So I'll just have to delete these stickers because I don't need them. There. Then after that, I'll change the photo. So after deleting the photo, I'll just have to click on the plus sign, which is at the bottom. Then click on image. Then look for the photo that you want to use for your thumbnail. So I want to use this photo. So just adjust. Okay, there. So if you want to change the font, just click on the title. Then you will see the options below. But since I'm already okay with the font and I'm okay with the color, I'll just go ahead and change the title. So my title is I Leave You. That's going to be my title of this template. So if you want to make this bigger, just click on the text size. So there. I think it's too big, so that one, right? So adjust it. And then what I'm going to do next is add stickers. I want to add hearts. So just click on the plus sign and then go to illustration. Then type in heart because that's the sticker that I want to add. Then as you can see, there are free stickers and some have charges. So just explore guys, because if you will be like familiar with the tools of this app, then you'll be very happy and it will be very easy for you to edit your thumbnails or posters or collage or whatever that you want to edit. So I want to use this sticker. I'll just adjust it to make it smaller. So there. O, diba? Smaller pa. Yay. So there. I want to add another heart. So I'll go back to illustration. Then type in heart once again. And then maybe this arrow. Adjust it again. O, diba? And one last heart. Maybe this one, the lips. Wow, okay. So for example, you're done editing your thumbnail. You'll just have to click on the arrow down on top. so you'll be able to save it. So it says here, you saved your design. If you want to know if your thumbnail was saved, all you have to do is go to your gallery. So there, that's a thumbnail that I just created. So very quick and easy to use Canva in editing your YouTube thumbnails, correct? So if you do have some questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. Toodles. Bye.